Good afternoon, my name is Jerome Piegay, Sales Manager for Omexom in Albertville. The solution I would like to present you today is Magneto Inductive Transmission Line Inspection. We provide this expertise thanks to an induction machine that we fixed to the cable, and this machine, intended to detect fault, is attached to a radio control robot that we developed ourselves. Thanks to this solution, we are able to monitor the operating condition of the lines and to discover hidden dangers, as for example corrosion, broken wires or fittings. Our solution is not non-intrusive, non-destructive, and then does not generate any degradations. Which is important for our customer is that after this solution they are able to establish investment priorities and to plan their own maintenance. So we developed this solution after receiving a demand from our customer and started to provide this expertise in France a few months ago, but we are sure that we have some opportunities all over the world.